Karine Jean-Pierre, to appear on The View on Tuesday, hasn't done a press conference since July 15. Pierre has faced an onslaught of questions about President Biden's health in recent weeks. White House Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre is scheduled to appear for an interview on The View on Tuesday, but has not held a press conference since July 15. The View revealed on Monday that Jean-Pierre would be joining the hosts for her first interview since President Biden announced he would be withdrawing from the presidential race. It's unlikely to be a hostile environment, as all the hosts are openly hostile to former President Trump and frequently praise the Biden administration. President Biden announced he had decided to drop out of the 2024 contest on Sunday via a letter posted to social media. He quickly endorsed Vice President Kamala Harris to replace him at the top of the ticket. White House National Security Communications Advisor John Kirby held a press gaggle with reporters on July 18, according to the White House's website. Jean-Pierre last held a press conference on July 15, alongside DHS Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas, who took questions from reporters about the assassination attempt against Trump. Following the president's debate with former President Trump, Jean-Pierre faced several questions about the president's health in the briefing room. She also said that Biden had intended on staying in the race following the debate, which she said was just a bad night for the president. Jean-Pierre clashed with reporters at a press conference in early July, where members of the press asked her about reports that Dr. Kevin Cannard, a neurologist from Walter Reed Military Medical Center who specializes in Parkinson's disease, met several times with Biden's physician, Dr. Kevin O'Connor, in the White House over the past year. She refused to confirm Cannard's name as the visiting doctor to reporters, citing security and privacy concerns, despite the fact that Cannard was listed in the public visitor logs. CBS said O'Keefe called her out during the press conference and said, "We are miffed around here about what has been shared with the press corps about him." Jean-Pierre posted to X on Sunday following Biden's announcement. "President Biden will go down in history as one of our greatest presidents, accomplishing more in 4 years than many accomplished in 8 years. He is also an honorable man, a decent man, and a person who has always put the country first," she wrote on social media. Jean-Pierre added, "Working for him has been one of the highest honors of my life, and I look forward to working with him to continue to deliver results for the American people through the end of this term."